to make sure my beans are straight. There we go. I'm good to go now.
You done, mate?
Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, let's go.
You good? Alright. Hello everybody and welcome back to the GoonMotoSquad channel. So, big news, eh?
That's not really big news.
Wow, it is big news. It's good start of the series, isn't it?
The winter build.
The winter build. Yeah, so we're super excited to have this new project and new series for the channel. So we went out tonight and picked up a bike. What have we here, Kyle?
Another bike.
What is it?
A winter project. This is a TRX 400. Board to a 440 with a big cam in it, with 450R plastics. So we don't know what's there and what's not.
So she's all in bits, eh?
Yeah, but complete bike. Okay.
Bike number 7 for the Moto Squad.
How many?
7.
7.
7-5.
Stop it.
Does that include the scooter?
No,
That's 8.
that's not including the scooter, so that's 8.
That's part of the squad because it's a motor.
You can see by the pile on the floor. There's just boxes and boxes of bolts and bits and pieces that we're going to go through, and
So when we say it's apart, it's completely apart.
there is not a single nut, bolt or washer left on the frame.
Everything is apart, all the nuts, bolts, washers, absolutely everything. So we've got a bit of a task ahead of us, but we're hoping over the next few weeks we'll start putting out videos into a series, doing bits and pieces like tidying up the frame and tidying up the handlebars. And hey, cheers to the new build, mate.
Yeah, well, I can't drink any more in my beer. You and your cold opened both of them and drunk out of both fucking hands.
Oops. Oh well, shall we check through all these boxes, make sure everything's
we'll
there,
go
eh?
through and see if we can see anything obvious missing.
So it looks like everything's there, which is good.
Oh, there'll be a few bits like nuts and bolts and crap, but we've got trays and trays of that. So
I suppose we'll get to putting this bike together at some stage in the next couple of days.
I'd say that I'm not going to rush it and be a winter project, but no, me, it'll be done and running in a week.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we'll check back in with you guys later, I suppose, to do some work on the bike.
Yep, the first thing we'll be doing, take it outside, water blast it. Anything that's
Clean all
easy
the
enough
bits
to
down.
get, we'll just water blast, and just so we're not getting covered in crap putting it together. Have a quick look over the frame, because there's steel frame bikes out renowned for cracking the frame. 03, which is what we think this is, has a gusseted plates at the bottom to try and strengthen the frame a wee bit, which mine doesn't have, and mine's cracked. I've had to weld it. But yeah, we'll get it going. We'll take a bit of time. That's alright. We'll get there.
Alright, so for now, GoonMotoSquad out.
Peace.
Laters.
You know I don't do that.